Hey everybody, today morning I come across a new feature in New Outlook which is Jump to feature. I'm very curious to check this out and even thought that I have already heard about this feature. So I want to check this feature by myself, how it works. So in this video, let's explore Jump to option, understand how it works, and more importantly, the benefits of this feature. So if you love shortcuts and need to save time navigating your email and folders, it is definitely something you need to see. So let's jump on it. So here I am on my new Outlook and you can see I have focused and other. These are two folders and right next to them there is a new option which is Jump to. It looks like a small downward arrow. When I click on it, I will get a list of quick filters like today, yesterday, last week, last month, last year, and even an option to select a specific date. So that means if I want to quickly filter and see emails from the certain time, let's say only for the last week, I just selected it and hit go. And now Outlook jump and show me all the emails for that period. So you will see last week and all the emails are listed here. Similarly, you can change it to last month. See last month. So this way you can use this feature and filter out your specific email for the date. So I personally love this feature a lot. If you have also liked this function, this feature in New Outlook, please share your experience. Thanks for watching.